welcome to another wonderful episode of What's Cooking with Chef Marc. I'm here with my nephew Roman.
And if you want to keep seeing videos like this, you can go ahead and subscribe, and you can see all these different kinds of desserts as well as all authentic Italian food.
Okay, so let's get to the cooking now. We're doing a Zabaglione, a beautiful Italian Zabaglione. You know, I met this kid about 16 years ago because he's my nephew and I saw him when he was born. So he's been with me a long time cooking. We have so much fun and he's getting very talented. So, he may be the future here. But what we're doing here is we're going to make a Zabaglione. You need special ingredients, and you know me, I'm all about special ingredients. So we have Harry's Berries strawberries, which are very expensive and very special. They taste like when you were a kid and went to the farm with your family maybe and you did strawberry picking. I mean, that whole experience, I'll never forget it. And that's what these strawberries remind me of. So we talked about strawberries. We have a little lemon to make lemon zest. We have steam, so we have water. And this is something very special I'm about to show you. I ordered this on Amazon, and how beautiful, a copper bowl. Copper bowl gets hot quickly, gets a beautiful, whatever you're doing, like something if you're whipping cream or something. Well, we're gonna make this froth of the egg yolk with Marsala wine and sugar. And to measure this out, really, some recipes call for equal amounts of sugar to equal amounts of Marsala wine. Again, this is imported Marsala wine from Italy, and it's the sweet, dark Marsala wine, which is very important to know. If you don't like Marsala wine or you don't want to use Marsala wine, you can go ahead and use something like a Prosecco or something that's like a sparkling white sweet wine, that like something like that, Asti Spumante. But here we're gonna take the egg yolks. Roman, you can kind of do the honor on that. We're gonna open up the eggs in a bowl, and then we're gonna pull the egg yolks out and put them in this. It's cool right now.
Do you want me to crack them in here? Or
yeah,
do,
right in there,
okay.
really gently so that you don't.
Oh man, I broke it.
Okay, just do two more. We'll be all right. And we're gonna these eggs, by the way. See this egg? This egg comes from our own orchard. We have chickens. We're growing 300 fruit trees over there. We grow our own herbs. Everything I need for this restaurant practically could be right around the corner at our own orchard, the Ahern Orchard. So here, try to get this one right now. Yeah, these eggs were hatched a couple days ago.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these egg yolks. You wanna get another one just in case I broke one? And we're gonna pinch them so that the egg white stays behind. And then we're gonna take the egg yolk right out of the egg white, squeeze it within our fingers so that the egg white stays and the egg yolk comes here. And just give me one more. I'm gonna take 3 egg yolks for this dish. And you want to have equal parts of sugar and Marsala? Nah, I don't think so. We're going to go less sugar. You know, I mean, we don't need all that sugar. It's going to be sweet enough. Let's take another egg yolk out and put it in here. Now, if you can see down in here, I have the egg yolks, and I have about half of the amount of sugar. So that's going in now. And I am going to whisk this vigorously. Because what I want to do, Roman, you want to move that out of my way? No, not that, but these two things. I'm whisking this, and I'm gonna really get into it because I want to make it very velvety. So I'm incorporating the egg, and I'm incorporating the sugar, and I'm really whipping this hard. And now you can see how it changed. It became silky, very silky. So I'm gonna do a little bit more, and then I'm gonna go to the steam bath right here. I'm gonna bring it over here. This is hot now, and I'm going to put it down, and I'm going to continue to whisk. And now that I'm whisking over hot steam, this is going to expand a little bit and become what we want it to be, the Zabaglione. Roman's going to assist me by slowly drizzling in the Marsala wine that I did. And the Marsala wine is about just a little bit more than what the egg yolk is, so I'll probably stop short of finishing this little pitcher. Go ahead and pour it right in slowly, right into my mixture. There you go. And he's just doing a steady stream of Marsala until I tell him to stop. That's good right there. Now I'm going to go back to the heat. You may not see this on camera, but I am going to bring this here to bring it. So Roman, what do you like about those strawberries that are different from what you buy at the store? You can buy strawberries at the store. It's not really that big of a deal. I just want to make sure that what we use over here at my restaurants is the highest quality.
Can you buy Harry's Berries at a store?
I've never seen them. Oh. But, you know, look for the darker colored strawberries. They're only going to last about 2 or 3 days, but they'll be sweeter.
Yeah, these ones are definitely really sweet.
Yeah.
They're very sweet and they're soft.
So what am I doing over there, Ron? You want to ask me any questions or you don't know? This is his first Zabaglione.
Never seen a Zabaglione.
Come on over.
All right.
See what it's doing?
Yeah.
It's getting thicker. It's getting like, it turned a little, the color turned a little bit like the color of the Marsala. So you have egg yolks, sugar, Marsala wine, and then we're gonna hit it with a little touch of lemon zest. But this is, I gotta take this off the heat because it really changes quickly. Yeah, I got it. Okay, we're done. That's how fast it took, what, 1 minute? We're gonna take this off the heat. We're gonna finish it mixing right here. Look what happened now, you see the difference?
Wow.
Look how thick that got. I mean, it's really holding on. It looks like whipped cream. Okay, so let's do this.
So what is this, like a topping or what?
You're gonna find out in a minute. This Zabaglione could be with all kinds of different berries. I like bananas. You take a little, like, a nice looking, a thick kind of a glass that's kind of a fancy glass. You can put your fruit on the bottom and then pour the warm Zabaglione out. What we're gonna do right now is we're just gonna take the Zabaglione. And this is copper, and this is copper. And this is an important thing to know about the copper because it's very, very, I guess, particular about, here, give me a little spoon. So what we want to do is put this Zabaglione sauce down. You really got thick quickly. That's the copper. Look how fast that
What
got.
happens if it overcooks? Can you like add water or something?
You can add more wine.
Oh, more wine.
Yep. So now we're just going to take these strawberries right here and put them down the way you like.
And you can add all different kinds of fruit to this. And
Oh, it's so good. Now you can put the Zabaglione over the top, but because I wanted to display this like this, I just want you to see this is a beautiful dessert, and look how simple that was. So you can take Zabaglione, it's like a custard, and it's warm, and the strawberries are cold, so together when you eat this, it's gonna be amazing. You have the sweet, the wine, the warmth. I mean, this is comfort food to the next level. Chef Marc, we're over here at Chef Marc's Trattoria, Chef Marc's Steakhouse. We're down here in the Expo Kitchen at Ahern Hotel, and we love when you watch us. My nephew and I have a lot of fun. This is a new dish. What do you want me to do? You want me to feed you, or are you gonna taste it yourself? Hold on.
yeah. Well, wouldn't it look good with a little piece of mint on top, maybe? Something green.
We don't need anything here,
It
but
looks
sure.
cool, though.
You ready to taste?
Yeah.
We're gonna taste this for you. So if I can't talk for a little while, let's see what goes on here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what goes on here. Let's see what happens.
This is my first time.
Those strawberries are so sweet. The Zabaglione.